Hi everyone. So today I wanted to talk to you about making your own journal. What you'll need is some paper from the printer, and you're going to need a stapler. I'm going to start making my journal with 5 pieces of printer paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pieces of paper. These are going to be the pages I write on. I'm going to hold them long ways, this direction, where the long edge is on the top. Now I need a cover. If you don't have colored paper, you can just use white paper and draw your own cover. I happen to have a piece of orange paper, so this is going to be my cover. So my white paper in the back, my orange paper on the front. After I have it like this, with the long part, the long edge on the top, I'm going to fold it in half. I'm going to put this corner with this corner, like this. Now my rectangle goes up and down. So I start with my rectangle going right and left. I fold it in half at the corners, and now it goes up and down. And what you want to do, I put mine on the table and I make sure all the edges are straight by kind of tapping it a little bit. And then I squeeze it and press it to fold it on the spine of my little journal book. Okay, just like that. Then we use our stapler, and we are just going to put 1 staple at the top, 1 staple in the middle, 1 staple at the bottom, close to the edge, not quite on the edge, maybe a little bit in, 1 on the top, 1 in the middle, and 1 on the bottom. Now my journal is ready for me to start using it.